Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see drafts on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then I'm going to click on the home button at the bottom left corner, and then I'm going to swipe to the right this screen. Then I'm going to go to the post, here it is, and then I'm going to take a photo like this. Then next button at the bottom right, you can add some caption, for example this one, and then you can click on the share actually, but if you want to save draft you need to go back and close this window. After that you will see this window, and then you need to click on the save draft button. After that your draft will be automatically saved. Then if you want to see your drafts, you need to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen, and then next to recent option you will see drafts option. You need to click on that one button, and then you will see all your drafts. You can click on any draft you want, then change caption, tag people, or actually delete this draft. So, and that's all, and that's how to see drafts on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.